Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter J. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर J का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter J. लेटर J पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter J is J, J, J. Letter J की आवाज है J, J, J. Trace letter J with a pencil. अब आप letter J पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash! Now we will read keywords from letter J. अब हम letter J से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. J, joker. J, jug. J, jeep. J, jelly. J, joker. J, jug. J, jeep. J, jelly. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. शाबाश. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. J letter jump jump jump.
J letter, jump, jump, jump.
J letter, have some fun.
J letter, have some fun.
Circle letter J in the given letters. इन letters में J के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Bravo! Connect jug to the glass with the help of lines. Connect jam to the bread with the help of lines. Connect juice to the oranges with the help of lines. Bravo! Dear teachers, discuss the given pictures with children and ask them to name J words. Introduce letter J with phonic song. Discuss health benefits of drinking fresh juice. Help children to make a joker mask on a blank page. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words jam, juice, jelly, jeep, jungle, jail, jar, and Japan. Ask students, which fresh juice do you like?